This is Farm Journal's Margie Fisher. Joining me is Jim Walker, Vice President of North American Business for Case IH Agriculture. Jim, could you characterize the U.S. machinery market for me?
Sure, I'd be glad to. I think that certainly 2008 was a wonderful year, not only with net farm income from our customers, but certainly for our dealers and as a manufacturer of being able to produce quite a bit of equipment and put it into the marketplace. I think it was one of those rare cycles in agriculture that we saw and we've seen in the past very rarely. And I think as we get into 2009 and evolve into 2010, I think we're going to get back into what I would say is the realities of the farm equipment business. And yet those are still going to be very good years. Those are going to be very, I think, consistent years in agriculture. So we're excited about what the future holds for us, what 2009 has shown us. And we believe that certainly agriculture is a very sustainable and a growing business for both customers and the farm equipment manufacturers.
Case IH tractors feature some new technology. Tell me about it.
I think that you've got to look at basically every avenue of the machinery business and realize that capacities will continue to be tested. So 120-foot toolbar planters on the market, in the marketplace now, wanting different variations of seed spacing and staggering and bulk fill in different avenues are still going to be testing us from the standpoint of what customers demand. You look at capacities of harvesting equipment. People continue to test us. We have new Class 9 combines that certainly 10 years ago would have been unthinkable. And so I think first and foremost in technology, we will continue to stretch capacity. I think secondly, as you look at the different types of operations in the marketplace, we're starting to look at different types of platforms. When you look at tractors, being more addressed to each one of those segments and their needs. In our instance, the Magnum tractor, a staple in our offering, certainly continues to be the row crop farmers' demand and choice of tractor. But now you see that we have smaller acreages, farm operations that don't need that kind of heavy operation, heavy lifting capacity, cost. So now we offered, the new mid-frame Magnum, continuation of a lighter weight Magnum, but addressing a different segment. And then the Puma line that certainly goes after the livestock marketplace. And then the Farmall, a reinvention of a real heritage tractor to address the lower horsepower needs. So I think that what you're seeing is innovation coming to address the different needs of the different segments of farmers. I think when you look at transmissions, certainly our CVT transmission, our constant velocity transmission, is one that I think is in great demand in all segments of those tractors we talked about. So again, I think that we're trying to adapt our product range to the different segments that are requiring different needs in the marketplace.
Case IH has introduced a utility vehicle, new for the company. Yeah. Tell me about the Scout.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I think that, we've always told our dealer network that we're number one, very proud of our heritage, and we need to really take advantage of our heritage and our product range offerings. So you look at Magnum, you look at Steiger, you look at Axial Flow, all those names are synonymous with Case IH and our past heritage. So when we were looking for all the products that our dealers would need to be able to offer in the marketplace that every farmer might want to buy, and that was our commitment to our dealer network, certainly the utility vehicle was one that we know that farmers buy on a consistent basis. So we took a great heritage name, the Scout, that was affiliated with the Case IH representatives in the past, the International Harvester reps that were in the field that drove the old International Scout vehicles. And we said, hey, great, what a great tie-in with heritage and something that we promised our dealers in a product offering. So we're kind of excited. The Scout range is kind of a completion, I think, of some of the product ranges that we've promised our dealers.
Thank you, Jim.
My pleasure, and thank you.